Hello friends, welcome to the I Can Accomplish platform. Hi, my name is Duboree Deka and I am a counselling psychologist who has been experienced for over 3 years working both with children and adults. So today in this video we are going to learn about a very interesting area related to child development which is called as play. Now, through play, children explore and learn about themselves and the world around them. So, let's explore this video to know some of the tools and techniques which you can use as parents to help your child's development during play. So, the techniques related to play that today I'm going to speak to you. Number one, make your child play with materials such as sand, dough, clay, or even flour can be used. So allow children to play with such kind of materials which will help them to develop their fine and gross motor muscles, which is again very crucial for the development of grip, balance and coordination. This also has a direct implication on the academic success of children because children are required to write at a certain pace and develop eye-hand coordination. So, being parents, you can definitely encourage your children to use these materials like your clay, your dough, your flour and sand. So you can make your child to write, letters, numbers, words, besides encouraging them to make different patterns and designs, which is again very helpful for your child to improve their cognitive abilities, thinking process and thoughts. Now the second technique that I'm going to speak to you today is called as your role play. Now role play is nothing but role play is an effective method which will help children to make sense of the world around them. Role play helps children to develop certain communication and language skills. Along with that, role play also allows children to make sense of the world around them, the real life situations. Yes, and along with that, role play also allows children to investigate, experiment and explore and develop certain social skills, which is again a very important area of your child, like collaborating with others, interacting with others. Yes. So this is all that I wanted to talk to you today through this video. Thank you for being patient and watching this video along with me. If you want to know more about your child, keep watching our videos.